Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by assembling the core ingredients for a classic Caesar dressing. 1 egg yolk, 2 tsp anchovy paste, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, and 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil. Measure 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 tsp Worcestershire sauce for brightness and umami, then grate 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese until fine. Finally, add 1/2 tsp salt and 1/4 tsp freshly ground black pepper, and prepare 2 cloves garlic, finely minced or pressed. Keep all ingredients at room temperature to help proper emulsification. Begin by whisking the egg yolk and 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard in a bowl until smooth and slightly pale. This base stabilizes the emulsion. Add the 1/2 cup olive oil dropwise while whisking constantly to form a thick, creamy sauce. If it splits, whisk in 1 tsp warm water to rebind. Stir in 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 tsp Worcestershire sauce for balanced acidity and umami. Then fold in 1/4 cup grated Parmesan and minced garlic. Taste and adjust with 1/2 tsp salt if needed. To serve, toss about 1 head of chopped romaine with just enough dressing to coat leaves lightly, and add roughly 1/2 cup croutons per head for crunch. Finish with an extra 1 tablespoon grated Parmesan over the top. If you prefer a richer sauce, fold in a little extra oil or 1 tsp mayonnaise to taste. Store leftover dressing in an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 48 hours. Because this recipe uses raw egg yolk, do not keep it longer and discard immediately if odor or color changes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.